guys, it's Aliana and I'm back here with another video. Today's video I did a DIY like scalp exfoliator slash detox slash hair growth stimulator. This mask only needed 3 ingredients: cinnamon, olive oil, and honey, and each of those ingredients have different benefits. Cinnamon is the main ingredient and it stimulates blood flow, and since we're putting it on our scalp, the blood flow is going to our scalp and it will stimulate hair growth. Olive oil has moisturizing benefits and it also helps with the shine of your hair, and then honey, it helps with hair loss. So obviously, you know, we want all of that good stuff. I put this on my scalp. It was very tingly. If you have a sensitive scalp, I would not recommend doing this because it might be uncomfortable for you and it might feel burning, but I like the tingly feeling. It felt very refreshing. So let's just get in how I made the mask. Okay guys, so I sectioned my hair off into 4 sections, and you can section your hair off any way you want. And I'm doing this on dirty hair, so I'd recommend doing this on dirty hair so you can wash this out of your hair. You wouldn't want to do it on like a new style. Do this on detangled hair because everything is easier on detangled hair. The first step is wetting your hair. This works way better when you wet your hair because it will saturate your hair way better. So that's what I'm going to do. Make sure to wet your scalp as well because that's where this treatment is going to go. So I'm just working on this section first, and I'm going to wet it again to make sure my roots are fully saturated. And then I'm going to take my mixture of the cinnamon and make sure it's like fully mixed together. And you want this to be like a paste. I don't know if you guys can see that, but going to want to put this on your roots and just rub it in. Supposed to feel like a tingly feeling. That means that it's working and it's opening up your pores because, like I said, cinnamon stimulates blood flow, which will help your hair grow. Wash this out, and it feels really good on my scalp. Like, my scalp feels so refreshed right now, but I need to clean up my mess because this mask is so messy. This mask is so messy. Okay, so I let this sit in my hair for like 5 minutes while I was cleaning up because this mask is super messy, or this treatment is super messy. And the tingling feeling feels really good, but it might be strong for people who have sensitive scalp. So I wouldn't leave this in too long because the tingling feeling could get like super intense. Okay, so my final thoughts. I'm never doing that again. If you have really thick hair, like I don't have like super thick hair, but I have like thick enough hair, The cinnamon kind of got stuck in my hair. I'm pretty sure there's still cinnamon in my hair. I shampooed like 3 times and it didn't come out, but then when I conditioned it and left it in for like 5 minutes and then I washed it out, like most of it came out, but I'm pretty sure there's still cinnamon in my hair, and I think it did like something to my hair because my hair kind of looks different. It looks like moisturized and juicy. I don't know.
For real.
But like I said,
Never do it again.
yeah, I'm never doing that again. It was like a good idea. My scalp feels very clean and like refreshed and whatnot, but it's just not good for thick hair because the cinnamon is gonna get caught. And yeah.